Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here to show you the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit called Happiest Wishes. This is a bright and cheery card kit, perfect for summer card making, and I'm going to start you off with the Happiest Wishes 6x8 clear stamp set. It has these great animals that are floating with balloons, also some clouds and a moon, and then messages that you can add together with your animals. These messages are great for every day and also birthday celebrations. Also in this kit, you'll receive our Positively Everything 6-inch T-square ruler. It has both inches and centimeters for your measuring needs, and we've also included some standard card sizes for you, notated in teal, and at the top we've included a key for the abbreviations. And on the back, we've included a deep ledge so that you can use this for aligning your cards, stamps, and sentiment strips, even with bulky layers. We're also including our new microdots sheet. This is 8.5 by 11, and you can use them with your dies or even your card panels. There are tiny little dots of adhesive sandwiched between two release papers, and they can be used a couple ways for your dies. You can cut your paper down to your die size, peel apart one of the release papers and stick it on to your paper, then die cut and peel off the release paper when you're done. Another way to use it is to die cut your cardstock and peel away the release sheet. You should be able to see the adhesive dots on one side and just the release paper on the other. So you're going to want to pick the side that has all the little tiny dots and remove your die cut pieces from the cardstock and press them onto the adhesive. Then use that release paper and burnish with your fingers to make sure that the die cut is well pressed into the adhesive. And then using a pokey tool, you can grab the die cut and press it right into your paper. And once you're done, use your poke tool to remove the centers of the letters. And this big scripty hugs is also part of your card kit. We're also including our Simon Says Stamp Sunburst stencil. This measures 4 by 9 and is perfect for slimline cards and also your standard card sizes. And to go with your stencil, we're including the Ranger Starshine Stickles Glitter Gel, and this is a really bright colored yellow gel with an amazing amount of sparkles and shine. I've created a sample here for you to see how reflective this is in the light, and it's super easy to use. You can put it on the back of your palette knife and spread over your stencil or parts of your card. The papers for this kit are from Paper Rose, and it's from their Sunny Days collection. They are 6 by 6 double-sided. There's a variety of patterns that you can use for a full card front, like this tree with a swing, and you can stamp your balloon critters. And also on the back, it has a lot of the summer icons with balloons, flowers, and butterflies. This next sheet looks like it's been hand watercolored with those waves of colors. And on the back side is a light green wood grain. Another sheet that's perfect for a card front includes a bear with an ice cream stand and critters enjoying the summer days. And on the back side, you have two bunnies. One is flying a kite while the other tries to catch butterflies with its net. Then you have a sheet that's all the critters in a nice pattern, and on the other side is multicolor balloons. And finally, the last sheet has summer messages that you can cut up and add to your cards. And on the back side, it has little pieces that you can use for tags and gift cards. We're also including 6 of the Simon Says Stamp A2 holographic envelopes, and these are really super shiny and bright. You can address them with a label or even a Sharpie marker, and they do have that lick it to stick it adhesive. We're including 3 cardstocks for you. We have Lipstick Red and Green Apple from Simon Says Stamp. Those are 100-pound. And also a Nina 110-pound Solar White. To finish this card kit off, you'll also receive a Citrine Zipper Bag. And this measures 10 by 12 inches, and it has a cute little paw print zipper pull. You can fit the entire contents of your card kit into the bag to keep all your little pieces together and to create something later. Up next, I have some inspiration from our designers using the contents of the kit. I've created a card where I've stamped my elements onto the front side of a ink blended piece and stamped a second set to color and cut out and add to the top. Nina Trapani used the balloon background and stamped and colored her pup with a balloon and white embossed her message on black cardstock. Susie Plantamura created a background of ink blending and clouds and then added all her little animals on top and finished it off with her die cut. Jen Shirkus created a rainbow background and stamped her message, cat, and clouds, and also used the stencil as a radiating design with blue ink. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Happiest Wishes. For additional inspiration and information on how to purchase this kit, just follow the links below in our description box. And as always, thanks so much for watching.